it's for you. Do you feel it too? I'm yearning to hear if your heart's in tune.